Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from whenever you're watching. My name is Ngokevi Tremesoma, and this is my fifth week of learning artificial intelligence and machine learning with asdin.net. And this is a summary of what I learned this week. Okay, for the first day, we talked about Markov chains and hidden states, where we said that Markov chains model sequential events where the next state depends on the current state. And then we used example of weather predictions. We said that if it is rainy today, then there's a certain probability that it will be rainy or sunny tomorrow. And then we went on to the next day and we talked about hidden Markov models, where we said that the hidden Markov models is a continuation, it extends the Markov chains. We said that the hidden Markov model extends the Markov chains by introducing hidden states where the actual state is not directly observed but inferred from the visible data. This means that the hidden state is not observed, but it is concluded or derived from the visible data. Yes. And then we gave an example in speech recognition where the spoken word is the hidden state. Then the sound waves is now the observation. You get. Then we moved over to day three and we talked about optimization in AI. Then we talked about local search and hill climbing. We said that optimization in AI means finding the best solution within constraints. This means like finding the best solution within a certain limitation of either time or resources or whatever. And then we talked about local search and we said that local search explores solutions near the current solution rather than scanning the entire area. And then we talked about hill climbing algorithm, which can now be used in local search. And we said that hill climbing algorithm is a greedy approach that moves towards the higher value solution step by step. And then we moved over to the four. We talked about exploring hill climbing variants and performance. And then we talked about examples of these variants, where we talk about the stochastic variant, the steepest ascent, the first choice, the random restart, and the local beam search. And then we said that these variants, one thing with hill climbing variations or variables or variants is that they don't explore the next solution that is worse than the current one. They explore the next one that is better than the current one. And then finally, the day five, we talked about optimizing AI solutions with hill climbing in Python, where we said that where we talked about practical implementation of hill climbing in Python. We used NumPy, we used SciPy, and we used other libraries to optimize functions. And then we demonstrated how tuning parameters can improve AI efficiency. So this is all I learned. This is a summary of what I learned this week in AI ML in the Asin.net program. Thank you.